All right, I'm asked to simplify this expression. 11 fifth root of 243x plus 12 fifth root of 32x. This is going to involve radical addition. My first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to simplify each of these radicals. Again, I'm ignoring this addition that's happening right here in the middle. I'm just going to simplify those radicals. When I'm simplifying those radicals, what I do is I'm first going to do the prime factorization of each of these numbers inside the radical. 243, I just did some work on the side here, is 3 to the 5th power. So I'm going to replace that with that statement, and 32, the prime factorization is 2 to the 5th. And so I'm going to replace each of those numbers in this expression with those values right there, or those factored forms. All right, so I got the 5th root of 3 to the 5th x plus 12 times the 5th root of 2 to the 5th x. All right, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take the 5th root of these factors right here, the 3 to the 5th and the 2 to the 5th. When I do that, it comes to the outside of this expression. So what I'll have is 11 times 3. This 3 right here is the 5th root of 3 to the 5th. And then underneath the radical, I just have this x left over. And then in the second one, the same thing happens. The 2 to the 5th comes out, and it becomes a 2. So I'm again dividing the exponent here of the 5th by the index here on the radical. And what I get left inside is just the x. Okay, cleaning some things up, I multiply on the outside here. 3 times 11 is 33. So I have 33 times the 5th root of x plus 24 times the 5th root of x. And lastly, now what I do, I'm allowed to add these radical terms if they have exactly the same radical parts. And in this case, they do. They're both the 5th root of x. And so I add their coefficients, the 24 and the 33 together, to get a final answer of 57 5th root of x right there. And again, this last step is the radical addition, which is just combining like terms.